Founded in 1992, Victory Glass Building Material Company Limited is a large-scale modern enterprise, integrating MOSAIC production, research and development. JNJ, MOSAIC and Bison are two subordinate brands of Victory Company. In these 28 years, we are committed to the research and development of MOSAIC and have accumulated a large number of patents of works, K-pop Design Awards, National Product Design Patents, ISO 9001 certification are the evidence of our strength. As the leading manufacturer of MOSAIC in China, we undertake many key government projects and hold many MOSAIC exhibitions together with famous designers. Until now, we have hundreds of distributors across China and have exported our products to more than 80 countries all over the world. In the future, Victory Enterprise will always adhere to its corporate spirit of dedication, innovation, and tenacity, promote its own upgrading and transformation with new thinking, boost internationalization of Chinese MOSAIC industry, and create the #1 brand of Chinese MOSAIC.